Hello Music Box friends, I'm here to show you how you can make your own reed for a wood instrument. So over here I have just a piece of computer paper, 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to take about a 2-inch section and I'm going to fold it down. Long ways like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And really I'm just folding that down so that I can tear it off so that I have a 2-inch strip of paper. You can use scissors if you'd rather do that. So now I have my strip of paper to start my reed. So the next thing you need to do is fold this piece of paper in half, long ways like that. Make your crease in the middle. Now I'm going to make it look like a W. So I'm going to take one end and I'm going to bring it up to the middle where I made my first fold. Fold that down, and then I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to fold that up to the middle so that if I were to open it up, it looks like a W. Now you're going to take that middle fold, that first fold that you did, and you're going to make a slight tear just down the center of that fold, like that. Now, you are ready to do your reed instrument. So take either side of your paper and hold it up against your lips, leaving just a little bit of space in between to let the air flow through. Pressing the paper against your lips, blow hard. And there's your reed instrument. Let's listen to it one more time. Here you go. Have fun.